You would have been part of Beanie.
Yes po. Ayun, sila ang multo ko. And sometimes, napapaisip din ako na
You would have been Beanie Rain.
I tried pageants naman. So,
yes!
To represent General Trias sa Binibining Pilipinas naman.
Sobrang perfect ka nga sa beauty pageant.
Thank you.
Dream celebrities that you want, or actresses you want to work with.
Zijan.
Who? Zijan.
Yeah.
Zaidan.
Parang lagi ako sinasabihan na Santino nung bata ko. So parang I guess sobrang magiging full circle moment kung makaka-work ko siya.
Ba't may date pa sabay-sabay?
Hindi, meron ganun.
May ganun po, kaya may
Nagde-date
situationship
madami.
kasi may relationship pala on the side. Po.
O kaya situationship, madami siyang situationship.
Yes.
What do you
Kasi
mean? Meron na ba kayo nakaaway sa showbiz?
I say hi po na lang. Hi, ganyan. Bebeso pa ako. Biglang,
Nino, sino yan?
Parang nagpa-picture lang ako ganun. Tapos sobrang sungit niya. Tapos parang may ganun lang ako na experiences din.
Can I just say that I really, sorry, I know, Farah, you're here, but I really am a Jared stan.
okay, me too.
I think I love you. I don't know if I love you as Sean or Jared. I'm not sure. Your fucking eyes are killing me.
The yearning.
The yearning! You're the yearning! Paano mag-partner kayo?
Pwede.
Ay, at least yung silap-lapan, gano'n. Ay, dila.
Pwede.
Think, talk, tea.
Hello everyone! Thank you so much for watching. And although it might seem like mahaba ang aming show, we encourage you to use our episode as your background audio while you are doing other things. Habang kayo ay nagdadrive, nagko-commute, naglilinis ng bahay, naglalaba, nagluluto, naghuhugas ng pinggan, habang kayo ay naliligo, bago matulog, while you are doing your schoolwork, while you are working. And feel free to binge watch our previous episodes as well and get ready to be inspired, informed, and entertained. And thank you so much for watching once again. Mabuhay! Hello everyone! Welcome to another episode of Think Talk Tea. As you can see, meron po akong glitter sa mata kasi mga kabataan ng ating guest for today. And I'm so excited kasi crush ko yung isa sa kanila. Sorry na. Today, we are joined by the rising Gen Z stars from Star Magic. From the favorite natin to, bagong paandar sa I1 TV. Cast of Love at First Spike. Let's all welcome sa Think Talk Tea Studio, Rain Parani and Sean Tristan.
Yeah! Thanks for having us.
Thank you.
So showbiz na showbiz yun.
What?
No, sobra.
Bumati muna kayo sa inyong mga fans.
Hi, kapamilya and everybody who supports Ate Madam Kring.
Hi, thank
you for watching us, and I hope you could watch up till the end. So, let's have fun.
Yeah.
They have to watch until the end kasi balita ko sa dulo, maglalabas na yung mga deepest, darkest secrets and tea.
Yes. Hello everyone. I'm Sean Tristan and thank you for having us, Madam King.
Thank you. Okay, so as some of you, as I mentioned kanina, you guys are from the drama. Drama bang tawag doon?
Yes.
Series called Love at First Spike, which is directed by our very good friend, Direk Ivan Payawag. So if you guys wanna see my interview with Direk Ivan, ililink po natin yan dito. One of my very, very good friends. And bago tayo magsimula sa mga paandar sa showbiz, gusto ko malaman, paano ba kayo na-discover at paano kayo naging artist?
You wanna go first? Ako. Okay, ako, I started on TikTok po. Pandemic, parang wala lang magawa. Nag-post lang ako ng mga TikToks like that. Then, nagkaroon ng konting followers, ganun. And then after that, nauso yung Kumu. Then, nag-Kumu kami with, I was with my friends, sina Andy, sina Bianca, ganun. Nagkukumu lang kami.
Andy Abaya?
Andy Abaya, yes. We were
And Bianca?
De Vera.
So you were friends before you became artista?
Yeah. No. We became friends through pandemic po nung nag-Kumu, nung TikTok era.
TikTok TikTokers talaga din sila.
Yes. They were, TikTokers din talaga sila.
Okay.
And then, nagkumu kami, nagla-live lang, di pa masyado uso yung kumu nun. Then, nagkaroon ng PBB kumu. So, nagkaroon ng traction yung kumu, ganun. Then, dun parang nag-audition kami. Then, from then on, parang na-discover lang po ako. Then, yun, nabigyan ng projects ng Dreamscape. And parang I was part of we had a YouTube thing before, yung Squad Plus.
Squad Plus.
Yeah,
related to the
Sina Francine.
Kadenang Ginto Gold Squad.
Yes.
I see.
Yeah.
Okay. This was in 2020?
2022.
Yung Squad Plus 2022?
I think they started 2020 or 2021. Pero in-add lang po ako ng 2022.
So technically, naging artista ka officially mga 2022.
2022.
That's when you signed with Star Magic.
Yes.
Okay. How about you, Rin?
Ako naman po, PBB, 8, yung super haba na season. First batch po ako doon, batch nila Lee. She was our batch winner. Tapos, I remember I started auditioning.
Lee Reposposa?
Yes.
Okay.
And I auditioned for Star Hunt. Yung worldwide Star Hunt auditions nila. So, I auditioned from Carson, California naman. So, I flew from Winnipeg, Manitoba, where I am from Canada, to California to audition. Kasi gusto ko talaga. Tapos I remember, hindi siya super haba na pila tulad dito, pero marami rin naman. And then ever since then, yun, napili po ako to represent North America for PBB.
Oh,
As
okay.
the female naman.
So, you flew from Canada to California?
Yes.
Wow! Yan namang sasabing
My mom.
talagang ginagawan talaga ng paraan ng mga pangarap.
Oo.
Diba? Ganon. And then you became part of PBB. But actually, I know you from the Star Hunt Academy training with Beanie and BGYO.
Yes.
You were actually part of that along with Kauri.
Mhm.
And who's the other girl who left? From Jansan.
Marami pa.
Actually,
Jelay.
Jelay. Right.
Oh.
Mga ano na yan, nag-training din yan.
Mhm.
She was a trainee pa. From
And
PBB.
Angela Tungol.
Yes.
Angela
Oh.
Tungol was
Yana
there also.
Pamilar,
Yes.
Marami po.
Yeah, so technically, kung napagtuloy mo to, you would have been part of Beanie.
Yes po. Yes.
And what happened?
What happened? No, I remember kasi I trained for maybe a good 4 months with them. Kasi before, it was just a unknown parang audition. They did another set na auditions. Tas daming girls and daming boys. So we knew na ay grupo. Pero ang dami po talaga namin. Tas pakonti ng pakonti. I remember I had a teleserye during that time, which was Sandugo 2019. And I was doing that at the same time. Hindi kinakaya yung katawan ko. So, I had to decide to prioritize the teleserye first. Tapos when I was ready to come back, hindi na pwede. Kasi nagko-Korean training na sila. Doon na po yung parang very serious training ng tanggalan for the final group. So, ayun.
But when they blew up last year, when Beanie became the Beanie, naisip mo ba na parang medyo pinagsisihan mo na prioritize mo yung Sandugo over the girl group?
Syempre naman. I mean, I'm young, so talagang I'll feel that way na masakit. Sila ang multo ko eh. Madam!
Ay!
Sila ang multo ko, of course. Kasi love ko din naman sila. I formed great friendship with them before I left. So, nung hindi na po ako pwede, sometimes I would, kasi I had a place close to where they trained before, I would visit all the time.
Bawal yun
Yeah.
Bawal bumisita basta ha?
No, but I would just visit lang before
But
I go
I
to
remember,
work.
like, you would even like go to the Christmas party and stuff like that. I
I would
remember.
visit and everything. And wala lang kasi love ko din po talaga sila. But of course, nang ibabaw po na masaya ako for them kasi tagal nila nagte-train. Ang tagal po nila naghihirap. So, deserve po nila lahat ng love ngayon. Lalo na, well, we all know they're being bashed right now. Pero I feel like they deserve more love kasi and recognition for what they do. So, ayun, sila ang multo ko. And sometimes, napapaisip din ako na
You would have been Beanie Rain.
yeah, a lot of people say that, which is sweet. I take it as a compliment. Hindi naman something sad, you know. Pero, you know, when I left, parang hindi rin ako nag-stop mag-training. So, parang nagtitrain pa rin ako mag-isa, ganyan. Pero yun.
Who were you
I'm happy for them.
closest to before?
Gwen and Mika.
Oh, really?
Parang kayo magsalita ni Mika eh.
Oo.
Close kami no.
Talaga.
Pero we don't talk often na. Because she's really busy, I understand. Pero when we see each other, it's still the same, madam. Tas with Gwen naman, I love her talaga to bits. I love her,
Really?
yeah.
You were from the same PBB kasi ni Gwen, tama? Or
She
no?
was batch 3 and I was batch 1. Sila po same ni Sheena.
Yes.
So, dapat mas marami yung Beanie members.
Hindi ko sure eh.
Well.
Hindi naman. Wala
Hindi,
akong
nagtanggalan din kasi talaga.
Tanggalan kasi talaga siya.
Kung hindi ka kumbaga hindi mo na-meet yung standard, kahit mas marami kayong trainees, kung hindi na-meet yung standard, lalo ng mga Koreans that time, elbow.
Babaw.
Tsaka naniniwala naman ako na I have a different path, kaya
For
di rin ako
sure.
natuloy doon. So, it's okay.
That's true, for sure. So ngayon, you're based in the Philippines na, not
Yes.
Canada anymore.
Ever since I left, I've never been back. At least a visit, hindi rin po. So,
Okay. But you were born and raised there?
I was born here for 2 years. Born for 2 years. And 2 years old, tas nag-immigrate ako sa Canada.
And then you were there for like
For the whole- for my whole
until
life.
14 years old ka nang pumunta ka sa
Yeah.
Pilipinas. Ikaw, tagasan ka? Ba't makatawa ka?
Born for 2 years?
Go.
Sorry. Ano yan?
Ikaw, tagasan ka? Shoot ka Canada.
Cavite. Dito lang talaga, Philippines. Yeah,
Cavite.
Cavite.
Saan sa Cavite?
Ako
Shout out sa mga
Shout out mga
Etivac.
Cavite nyo.
Yes,
Yes, Etivac.
yes, mga
Ako, Kawit. Magkalapit lang kami.
Same lang kami. Bakaw ako. Gentry.
Gentry, Bakaw.
Uy, may bahay ako dyan.
Ooh.
Sa Lancaster.
Oh!
lapit ko lang po
Ang
sa
lapit
inyo.
namin.
No. Napanalunan ko kasi yun, nanalo ko ng reality
Excellent.
show. Tapos
Oh,
hindi ko na
nice.
siya hindi ko na siya nabalikan. Ay, parang last year na ata yung huling balik ko. Ano yung tipong lang nakatira? Diyan lang siya. Pinapamahal ko lang. Kasi before, it was cheap there, right?
Magmamahal na yun. Super.
Mahal na ngayon.
May ano na dun ngayon. May ayala.
Kasi ang daming mga malls, di ba?
Yes,
Yung mga
yes.
pa-under, dati parang mga talahiban, parang batuhan ng mga namatay na sinal.
Lander eh. No?
Ngayon talaga magmamahal na. Magmamahal na
Hindi,
talaga.
promise. So sinasabi nila, ba't hindi mo binibenta yung bahay mo doon? Well.
Well,
Hindi ko yan ibebenta. So mga taga-Etivac pala kayo.
yes, mga matatapang.
Oo, totoo. And how's your childhood? How were you growing up?
Well, I grew up in Cavite talaga. So, yun na yung pinaka-province ko. And wala, yun lang. Normal naman yung childhood ko. Like usual na lumaki na naglalaro sa kalye, ganun. And yeah, yun lang. Wala naman anything special about my childhood.
Your parents? What did your parents do?
My parents, we're contractors
Ng
ng
DPWH?
Hindi.
Hindi.
The engineer.
Okay.
My dad's a mechanical engineer and they run a business yung company namin na
So
naggagawa
rich
ng
kid
mga...
ka, rich kid ka.
Hindi naman.
Konyo eh.
Hindi ako rich
Pagka-konyo
kid.
yung ano eh.
Hindi ako rich kid.
Ataking konyo ka eh.
Hindi naman. Comfortable. Pero
Di ba
ano.
comfortable? Hindi yun comfortable. Comfortable.
Wow, talaga ba? Well, yeah. Ayun. Yeah, kami yung naggagawa ng mga tangke-tangke for like the mga petrols and stuff.
Oh. You have siblings?
Yeah, 2 siblings. Younger, 20 years old, tsaka 14.
Hindi sila, ayaw nila mag-showbiz.
I don't know if yung sister ko gusto niya, pero hindi naman, parang hindi naman sila interested. Pero baka sister ko, yung 14 years old, yung youngest, baka gusto niya.
Baka gusto niya maging trainee ulit. Trainee din sa mga...
Feeling ko, baka gusto niya kasi di ba nauso yung sa Cat's Eye, yung mga ganun.
Yeah.
Di ba meron tayong Filipina from Cat's Eye. Parang
Yes.
siguro na-inspire siya doon.
Oo
Kaya
nga.
gusto niya mag-join.
Tama. And I think, baka naman sila Direk Loren gumawa din na mas mga bago pa na mga grupo, diba?
Yeah. Not
Salihin mo doon yung
impossible.
kapatid mo.
Sabihin ko. Sabihin.
Oo. Pero alam mo, alala ko sa Bini kasi talaga, malalaki kayong lahat eh. No? Ang tatangkad nyo lahat, mga pa-beauty queen kayong
Yes,
lahat.
everything is measured, madam. Everything sa limbs, sa everything talaga.
What's your height?
5, 6, or 7? I'm not sure.
Are you taller than Aya?
Yeah. I think so, yeah.
O even
Very
I met
taller
Kaori?
her
than
eh.
her.
I met her na po.
You're taller than her, Aya?
Probably.
Oh, okay.
Probably.
Yeah,
I think the
I met
tallest
her
sa
eh.
kanila si Aya tsaka si Stacy eh. Yung mga beauty queen. Yung
Si
mga...
Aya ba nagbo-beauty queen?
Oo.
Yeah,
Miss
so
Silka
Miss
yan.
Silka.
Tapos si Stacy, alam ko ano yan eh, Miss Teen Philippines. Tapos dapat magko-compete na siya sa States to represent the country but she chose to be a trainee.
Okay.
Ako hindi ko talaga never, kahit news. Hindi ko na-experience.
Kahit Muse.
Kahit Muse. Okay lang. Class president naman ako.
Slay. Bakit?
Okay lang. Okay lang. Alright. So ngayon, yun na, napasok na kayo sa showbiz.
Okay.
But wait, ikaw, you're studying, di ba, right now?
Yeah.
Film.
Yes, in Benit.
Bakit mo naisipang mag-film?
Actually, plan ko talaga before is I needed a college degree and sabi ko kukunin ko yung kung saan ako passionate. So sabi ko film, pero ang plan ko talaga is mag-fly school. So plan ko talaga mag-pilot. Pag pilot you need a college degree kasi for you to get a job na sa mga airline. So kahit ano namang college degree. So sabi ko kunin ko yung gusto ko kunin. So sabi ko kunin ko film. Then after mag-film, flight school.
So hindi mo gusto maging film practitioner?
Kasi
Kasi ang pangarap mo maging piloto.
yeah, that was my initial plan talaga to be a pilot.
Mm.
Pero parang option din naman to be a director. Pero yun, parang as of now, mas type ko maging artist.
Totoo naman. Actually. Kahit ako rin naman, kung ganyang edad kayo, mabibigyan kayo ng chance na magtrabaho as an actor, as a celebrity, i-avail nyo.
Yeah.
Yes.
Kasi pag matanda na kayo, pwede naman kayo alam mo yon, makahanap ng iba ng pwede nyong gawin. Kunyari, okay, tapos na. Tapos na ang moment ko bilang maging celebrity. Next chapter. Ang nagiging problema kasi ng mga artista, nakakalimutan nila na trabaho lang yon. You know what I mean? Older artistas na parang, kunyari, tapos na yung moment nila. They forget that was just a job. The same way na, for example, before, nag-call center ako. Ngayon, nasa engineering ako. Next time, nasa healthcare ako. Trabaho lang yun eh. Hindi naman ikaw yan. So, a lot of people in the industry, whether artista or mga director, ginagawa nilang personality yung trabaho nila. Which should not be. That's how they become crazy. Pag, hindi na ako sikat, hindi na ako nagta-trending.
Yes. Agree.
Yes.
Super agree.
Right?
Yes.
So, you will feel that when the time comes when you're like, oh, maybe this is it for me. It's okay.
Yeah.
Diba? Life will continue. The trees will continue to grow. The rivers will continue to flow. And you will continue to fly. Wow!
Quotable.
Wow!
Hey, Madam Queen.
Okay, question. Alam ko, I'm sure yung mga tawa kayo dun sa gilid. Alam ko yung mga tao nagtatanong, may love life ba kayo? Very showbiz. Showbiz siya. Yung mga tanong, may love life ba kayo?
As of now, wala. As of now, wala.
Wala, Miss
Wala,
King.
wala.
Promise.
Okay lang naman kung meron. Bawal ba? Bawal ba magka-love life kayo?
Pwede naman, pero wala.
Pwede naman wala.
Wala eh.
Pero nagkaroon na kayo ng mga relationships.
Yes,
Oh.
only one.
What
Yeah.
In my
happened?
whole life.
What happened?
It went downhill. Downhill nga yung word na pinili kanina, hindi yun sinabi.
Oo
Pero
nga.
it didn't work. Pero I feel like
Downhill?
Uy, sobrang close nyo. No?
Yes.
Kailan kayo naging close? Sa show lang ba?
Dahil sa Love at First Spike. Before Love at First Spike, hindi man kami magkakilala talaga.
Yes.
Really?
I
Yeah.
remember sa audition.
Mailap pa kami sa auditions noon, may kakahiyaan pa kami.
Oh.
Pero, yeah, I feel like, dahil sa energy naming dalawa, mabilis din siya nag-open up sa akin. Kaya mabilis din ako nag-open up sa kanya. It was just natural lang naman.
Yeah. Tsaka parang at first kasi, yung first impression ko kasi, parang you're coming off as like strong. Parang...
I always get that wrong.
What's the problem with
hindi naman,
women
parang-
being strong?
No.
You have a problem with that, Sean?
No, it's intimidating for me to approach her. Parang like that. It's not like it's a
I
problem.
hate it. When guys say that, you're too intimidating, you come off too strong.
Right.
I don't fucking care, bitch.
Exactly.
Ano naman?
Nahiya lang ako sa kanya mag-approach na, you wanna throw lines, ganun. Siya pa nag-approach sa akin. Parang, syempre, I wanted to practice with her, ganun. So, pero parang nahiya kasi ako sa kanya talaga. Parang, iba yung aura niya na parang,
I was
iba
quiet
talaga
sa
aura mo
auditions.
eh.
I would put myself in a corner focus because I want this role so bad.
You wanted this role so
Wanted
bad.
it so bad.
I feel like it was written for you. Wow.
Really?
I'll ask Kiwi.
That's what I told her.
Ivan, did you write it for Rain?
After the auditions.
And your character, I feel, was written for you.
Sobra. Galing.
Yeah. She approached me for the, para mag-throw ng lines. Then after nung audition, sinabi ko sa kanya, hindi pa kami close nito like hindi pa talaga like no na to. Sabi ko sa kanya lang, parang Rain, feeling ko ikaw na. Feeling ko ikaw na.
Feeling ko, I feel the fire in you, sabi niya.
Sabi ko, I feel it. I
Tapos
feel
the
it
next
na.
audition day, he was there ulit. So I was like, oh.
So there were other girls who auditioned for the role?
Dami.
Madami. Kaya I was so serious kasi hindi naman kami palagi napipili. Tapos this is the only time na may audition. Pero at the back of our head, we were like, baka may napili naman na. And for
kasi
show lang
usually it's
naman
like
yung
that. Parang
audition nila.
audition, pero parang may napili naman na talaga for firm. Ano like that?
Well, okay, just so you know, not for me. That's not how I roll.
I love that.
As a director.
Love that, yeah.
But you know, there's
Gladly that
So
I
parang
like that too.
yun talaga yung nangyari. Sa first day ng audition, parang sabi na, parang sa head ko, ito na naman audition, baka
Yes.
meron naman na napili naman. Tapos parang pinag-audition lang para sa, I don't know, BTS, ganun. So parang sabi ko, okay, pero I gave it my best pa din.
Me
Tapos
too.
parang second day nung callbacks na, yan na yung sabi ko, seryoso, kasi ngayon lang ako na-callback ulit ng ganito. Hindi
Yes.
talaga ako nakuha sa audition.
I came from school pa, madam, that day. The first audition day. Tapos may laptop pa ako and everything pa. I was the last girl to audition out of 50.
Madami talaga.
Madami, madam.
Sobra.
Every management sa ABS. Madami
Padala.
talaga.
lahat ng girls from 20 to 25, padala nyo yung ganon.
Ganun.
Online kasama
may
din.
online pa. May online
Ang
pa.
dami po. Kaya that was game on. Sabi ko, tas I read the description of the character. Sabi ko, this is my dream role.
But you knew it was supposed to be for a volleyball.
yes, I
Yes,
knew.
yes,
So I was
yes.
confident din na.
Kasi
I
kasi
have
volleyball.
to have this.
Ikaw, marunong ka mang volleyball?
Before Love at First Break, no.
Okay, but
Talaga.
but how about that? Because you were asked to audition even if you didn't know how to play volleyball. Okay lang.
Yes, okay lang.
Okay.
Marami nag-audition na hindi rin talaga volleyball player. ganun.
Right. Okay, so I mean, how did you feel then when you got the role?
So, sobrang sobrang happy. I got the role. I was on a vacation with my family. So sobrang tuwa na. We all celebrated together.
Oh, that's so nice. I mean, especially I guess for people na alam mo, I because of what I do now, I really get to meet a lot of artists. Like literal actors. And I always get na parang that na parang shucks. When will I get that break? When will I get that break? Or when will I be given that parang callback or something? Parang feeling ko tuloy, ang hirap pa talaga makapasok dyan. And when you get that moment na parang, this is for you.
Yeah.
I can imagine the parang,
Yes.
finally.
Yeah.
Talaga, yung mura nyo po, ganun na ganun talaga. Like, I wanna say it too. Ang ina! Talaga. Super. Kasi naiyak na nga ako sa movie that time I was waiting. Tapos, so, my RM said it first before my manager. Chinika niya agad sa akin. So, I was like, oh my God, kinakabahan ako. Naiyak na kami sa movie.
Right.
Tapos, sumunod na yung manager confirmation. Congratulations, Rain. You
Yeah.
got the lead role, Farah, for Love at First Spike.
Oh!
Tapos, iyak ako. Daming kasama ko mga family ko, umiiyak din. Tapos sabi nila,
Ang cute.
umiyak sa movie. Sabi ko, no, I got the lead role. Sabi ko,
Yes.
ganun.
Is it your first lead role?
My first lead role for almost a decade na. And sayang, saya po talaga. And I remember since that day, wala na. Buong mundo ko na yung Love at First
Yeah,
Spike
me
until
too.
now.
Well, can I just say, maybe before we take our break, that you guys really nailed your characters.
Thank you.
That's what I said earlier. I feel like those characters were written for you. I cannot imagine anyone else playing those roles.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
And more tea. So pagbabalik po natin, pag-uusapan naman natin ang experiences nyo na nasa showbiz na kayo, na nasa loob medyo napahapyawan na natin
Yeah.
yung mga parang mga politika, mga something, but I'm sure there's a lot more mga nakaaway nyo sa loob, mga dream na mga kasama nyo. Sa pagbabalik po natin, i-spill nila ang tsaa. So, see you guys. Hi everyone! Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this episode, please make sure to give us a like, share this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Okay, so you've been in show business for about 2 years.
Yes.
You've been since 2019, so mga 6... 18.
Opo.
18 pala yung 8. Oo.
Yeah.
So, mga 7 years na, no?
Yes po.
What were the challenges that you've faced so far sa showbiz? Lalo na bilang mga bata. Diba? Hindi naman kayo mga 29 or something. Bata kayo pumasok sa show business. Ano yung mga challenges na na-face ninyo? Or culture shock?
Ano po ba? Siguro yung natutunan ko na hindi lang pala talent yung kailangan dito, pero parang lakas ng loob talaga. Tibay ng sikmura. Kasi parang grabe talaga yung mararanasan mo na judgment, especially from like the public, o kaya parang syempre from the higher ups. Syempre, hindi talaga madali. Like, kailangan mo talagang inday yung masasabi nila sa'yo.
Yes.
Ayun, yun yung siguro mga isa sa challenges na napagdaanan ko sa showbiz. Grabe talaga. And naranasan ko din yung parang we had a taping for teleserye tapos parang sobrang naano kasi parang ako lang yung artista na naiba yung hotel.
What do you
Tatlo
mean?
yung hotel. Tapos yung hotel one was for like the veterans, ganyan. So yung magandang hotel. Tapos may annex. Doon pa ako sa yung pinaka kabilang hotel pa with like the cruise and everything. I've been through that. So
Why do you think that happened? Hindi ka nasama sa booking? Imposible naman.
I don't know. So I don't know if it's because siguro dahil late ako pinasok, ganun, pero hindi lang naman ako yung late pinasok nun. Marami din naman kami, pero ako lang talaga yung
Hindi ka
Ako lang.
nagreklamo?
Hindi po. Hindi naman ako nagreklamo. Pero syempre, I told my handler na parang, baka mamaya na mali lang naman ang bigay na, manambali ng bigay na hotel. Pero hindi naman
pala.
nagreklamo. Pero it's fine. Parang I feel like it was parang siguro canon event na pagdadaanan ko talaga yun. Yeah.
It was your tuition fee in life.
Well, yun.
How about you?
Ako naman ang dami rin po. Siguro culture shock din sa Filipino culture, humor, discipline. Nanibago po kasi iba po talaga sa Canada and here in the Philippines. Feeling ko yun po yung isa. And then second po would be education. I stopped for 2 years and resumed during pandemic. So sobrang laki rin po yung adjustment. And of course, sa family ko naman. Watak-watak na po kami. No, we're still complete.
Yes.
But physically, we're not together all the time. So my dad visits once a year lang and everything. Pero yeah, ever since I left Canada, I've never been back kasi I had a fear na if umalis ako, parang ayokong iwanan yung pangarap ko. So talagang ayokong umalis. So that was my headspace. Tapos parang yun nga po, parang me and Sean kasi have the same sentiments na hindi kami palagi napipili or hindi kami favorite. So parang gagawa kami ng paraan. So, ayan, may TikTok.
Favorite ko kayo.
Oh, I love you po. Ayun po, gawa po kami paraan. Ako naman po nung medyo naglaylo po ako sa pag-artista at nag-online class ako, I tried pageants naman. So,
yes!
Yes! Doon po ako nag-resume sa name ko na to build something for myself.
What did you join?
I've been to, first was Binibining General Trias. I won that to represent General Trias sa Binibining Pilipinas naman po.
Oh, okay.
2023 was my batch.
So how did you fare in that competition? Sorry kasi hindi ko pina-follow.
I placed second runner-up. Pero it was okay for me kasi I was 19 that time and that was my first national pageant. So it was a great achievement for me to establish something. And yeah.
Sobrang perfect ka nga sa beauty pageant.
Thank you po.
Do you still plan to join?
Of course, Miss. Yes.
Do you have trainers?
I know I'm independent, so I don't really join camps like Aces and Queens, and
You don't want to?
I don't want to.
Because?
I like to fabricate my own team. Yeah, and I love the people I work with na. So I feel like it's better that way to have your own.
Right. It works for you.
And yeah.
What's your goal? What's your dream?
Of course, Miss Universe, madam. Of course, Miss Universe. Pero
Okay, visualize natin.
Sobrang bagay mo.
Thank you.
Sobrang perfect! Okay ko. Pero,
Really ba?
oo!
Oo.
Wag ka na, Nagpa-veneers ka ba?
No, my
Huwag
real
ka na
teeth.
magpapa-veneers, please.
Yeah, I don't want
Totoo ba?
My real teeth, ah.
Kasi di ba yung mga beauty queen, talagang
Um.
para malaki yung ngiti nila, talagang kapag-veneers. Nothing wrong with that. Aesthetics nila yan.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Pero ikaw, like yung katawan mo,
Thank you
yung
so
kulay
much.
mo, oh my God.
Thank you. Pero I know marami pa. It'll take a lot pa to join Miss Universe. Siyempre sa budget, madam.
Ay,
And
actually, budget eh. No?
ayoko rin po
Budget
sumali
ko.
ng basta-basta lang nang wala ka pang super maraming tulong ba sa people of the bayan. Ayoko po talaga. I wanna grow more.
Wait, what do you mean by that?
I want to contribute a lot. I want to help, of course, the people. And of course, to qualify yourself to represent a place, syempre, I want to have more experience with them and our charities back at home.
So you have
Yes.
to... Sorry so napakaboba. So you have
It's
to be parang Miss Cavite para makasama ka sa Miss Universe?
Yes, parang ganun din po. Like,
Oh.
you should be qualified to represent, of course. So, syempre, some people get appointed to represent, pero some people will have to join a pageant pa to win the title to represent a place.
And you're young. You're 21.
Yeah, so I'm waiting it out. Tapos pinaprioritize ko yung pag-artista ko po kasi
Yeah.
this is what I love to do.
Right. Again, I'm telling you, kanya-kanya yung timing.
Mhm.
Diba? Sometimes ganito ka, sometimes ganon, sometimes... And there's nothing wrong with that. The problem, I think, with a lot of people is like, nagmamadali.
Mhm.
Diba? Especially when you compare yourself to other people. Parang, bakit siya may ganun? Ba't ako nakuha? Hindi ako nakuha. Ba't siya na ganyan. But the thing is, what we have to realize is everyone has their own timing. Diba? May kanya-kanya tayong clock. So, malay mo, hindi lang talaga nag-workout for you kasi nga, may better things. Or that something would, for example, yung dun sa Miss Binibining Pilipinas mo,
Mhm.
malay mo kung nanalo ka doon, you wouldn't have had the chance to be
Yes.
Farah of Love at First Spike. So, ano naman yan? Binibigay sa'yo kung handa ka na.
Mhm.
Eh.
I believe in that too.
Yes. How about you? Do you guys have any dream celebrities that you want or actresses you want to work with?
Santino. Zijan.
Who? Zayjan.
Yeah. Zayjan.
Why?
Um,
Parang
kas-
same kayo ng peg.
And
Pa-
his eyes are like yours
That's what I'm
too.
saying.
yeah, I grew up watching him din kasi sa may bukas pa. And parang, yun nga, parang lagi ako sinasabihan na Santino nung bata ko. So parang I guess sobrang magiging full circle moment kung makaka-work ko siya.
So, siya yung dream mong ka-work.
Yes.
Okay.
Mm.
Anyone else?
Parang siya lang naiisip ko right now.
Kahit internationally, wala?
International. Grabe, international.
No. Do not stop your manifestations.
Oh,
Who would have thought that I'd be able to make a movie in Korea with the Korean team and everything, right? If I had told myself in the same mga 2011, grabe naman, mag-shoot na Korea pa, no? Di, bilhin ako, sabi ni Universe, edi ayaw mo, edi wag.
Favorite actor ko, si Jonathan Bailey or Tom Holland.
So, like Western
Yeah.
people talaga. Okay.
Mm.
How about you? Dream.
Sa Philippines po, I always said na idol ko po si Miss Jody Santa Maria.
Okay.
And for guys naman,
Maka-partner, ganun.
Maka-partner ba?
maka-work man lang.
Okay, maka-work man lang.
Kahit anong role.
Our age?
Okay.
Our age?
Our age?
No. Feeling ko po either Jericho Rosales or Sir Arjo Atayde. Like,
Oh.
feeling ko po, grabe po yung mga actingan po nila.
Right.
And of course, our leading mans ngayon, like Joshua Garcia, maybe. Kasi he's a great actor.
Yeah, he
so
is.
I'd love to, work with him soon. Or anybody, actually. Kasi I'm open po talaga to any role. Kahit GL man yan. I'm open to that.
Nagpaparinig si Rain para.
Yes! Because,
Pag GLC nung naisip mo.
Pag GL, sino gusto mong
may
partner?
naisip ka na partner?
sino ba? Shucks, wala akong maisip at the moment. Aya Fernandez?
Akala ko Bini Aya.
I was like, I was gonna say, Bini, ayaw, baka makancel tayo. So,
No, kasi,
baka makancel tayo naman may kaya.
na-appreciate ko po kasi yung community nila. Kasi nung nag-Love at First Spike po kami and we joined
Pride.
the Pride March po
Right.
sa UP, I love the energy. I
The
love
support,
the
no?
support.
Oo.
Kasi there's a lot more stories na hindi pa natin na-explore. And I love to be one of those actresses na kahit anong ibigay mo dyan, she'll accept it.
Wait.
Diba?
Saglit. Earlier this year, I made a music film. I don't know if you've seen it. If you haven't yet, I'll show you later. It stars Dustin Mayores. So when I was writing it, I had Dustin in mind for that role. The other character, I had you in mind. But I was
Really?
like, there's no way I was gonna get Sean Tristan. There was
What?
no way. But
What?
Dustin kasi is my good friend. Bata ko siya, diba?
I'm friends with Dustin too.
Yeah, I know. But I was like, I don't think he's gonna do it.
What?
So I'll show you the film later.
Why didn't you? What?
That's why universe. I stopped my own. I blocked my own manifestation. But yeah. So it's like now that I think about it, oh yeah, that's true. Sometimes if you really want to get, kasi meron kasing how do I say it? Merong misconception which I found out eventually na parang gusto kong kunin this person for a project, for a role. Hindi ganun kalaki yung budget, whatever, but I know it's gonna be good for them. But you're scared na parang, hindi papayagan ng management kasi something. Pero pinayagan naman si Dustin. So,
Uh-huh.
I guess. So anyway, yun lang, nakwento ko lang. Naalala ko kasi yung GL mo. So parang,
Oh.
but if you watch it, you would
Yeah.
have done a really good job
my
on
Oh my
that.
God, why? You stopped
You-
your manifestation.
Sorry, I really, okay, don't worry. We'll get to work next time.
Yes.
I'll make sure I'll work with you guys. So anyway,
Ayun
you were
po.
saying, so GL sa'yo.
Oh, grabe. Well, one of my fantasies, one of
Oh.
my sana, pero any role talaga I would accept as long as it's a good character, it's a good story, and I'd love to work with I love working, I love acting. So
Oh, so kung bibigyan ko kayo, ako, Direk Ring, Madam, gusto daw pong mag-artista, gusto daw pong mag-acting ni Rain tsaka ni Sean. Saan niyo po sila ilalagay? Sabihin ko, hindi, anong gusto mong role? Bigyan kita. Ito na, sa'yo na tong script. Anong gusto mong gawin?
Oh. Ako gusto ko...
nagkaming dalawa po.
Hindi, kahit
As
separate.
separate. Gusto ko mag-star in a horror film talaga.
Ano ka, multo?
Pwede din. Kasi parang pag horror parang stapled, tsaka parang iconic. Ganun. Pag horror film.
Anong klase?
Gusto ko psycho-psycho.
So, hindi horror. Thriller yun.
Pwede din thriller.
Thriller,
Psycho-psycho.
Bagay ka dun,
ganun.
mamamatay tao.
Ganun.
Bagay siyang mamamatay tao, no?
Like mystery na sino yung killer. Ganun. Ooh.
Oo.
Yeah.
Ay, may naisip ako. Sige.
Sige.
Oh, parang alam mo, hindi mo kala mo bait-baitan, sakristan,
Mm-mm.
tapos namamatay ng mga pumapatay sa likod ng Eucharist.
That's so interesting.
Right? Pero na agad tayong
I
logline.
know.
Logline na! May kwento na agad tayo. Ay, okay. Yan, bagay ka dun. Feeling ko mapupull off mo yon. Ikaw,
Ako naman po something with action and drama. Feeling ko
anong peg?
Police. Police
Cardo
or
Dalisay.
martial arts kind of woman who has to go through lots of drama in her life or lots of action. I love it. Kasi, yun nga po, Sean always mentioned na ang lakas ng, what do you call that? Strong yung,
Personality.
yeah, strong
Yung
personality.
vibe.
I want to use it kasi parang feeling ko, and I've been working out a lot ngayon dahil from Love at First Spike. So, I want to use that. And I love like effed up characters too. Like, yung mga psychological, yung mga horror. I love all of those.
Alam mo,
aside
you know,
from
honestly, now
rom-com.
that you're talking about, now that you're talking about it, you should honestly try out in international films.
I really
Honestly.
want to.
Kasi you can speak, you have that accent naman eh. 'Di ba?
Kaya mo.
In fact, sa Love at First
Kaya
Sight,
mo.
feeling ko alam mo, sa totoo lang, sorry kailangan ko to i-chika ha. Natuwa ako sa character mo. Minsan, I'm not, hindi to shade hindi to shade. Kasi sa kanya, meron siyang ganyan, no? Guys, wag nga kayo mag-away, baka mapatawag kayo sa principal's office. Alam mo, pag pumapasok yung English,
Principal's office.
nagkakaroon ng
Yeah.
accent.
Sinasabi din po ng producer po namin, is that the Canadian accent or what?
Yes, it's coming out. When you speak in English, it comes out. Hindi ka to hindi pag nag-English kami, yung tipong principal's office.
Yun din po yung natutunan ko sa Pilipinas. May kanya-kanya, may konyo na
Yes.
ganito. May aircon humor, may kanal
Oo.
humor, may
Yes.
matatas na Tagalog, meron
Yes.
kabitenyang Tagalog. Ang dami
Yes.
pong dialects
Yes.
and everything.
Ang
So,
daming codes. Di ba? Kaya
Saka mga
nag-code
slang.
switching ka,
So
gano'n.
somehow, may mixture ako ng everything kasi nga iba-ibang tao nakaka-work so na-adapt ko. Pero yun nga,
Pero sobrang funny, no? No, di ba parang naiiyak ka
Yeah.
na, biglang ay, si Canadian pumasok. Si Canada sa picture.
Pero I'm proud naman how far I've come with the Tagalog.
Yes. But what I'm saying is like looking at you, you would be perfect for an international paandar. Alam mo yun, kaya talaga siya. I'm not
Alam
saying
mo.
that you can't. Definitely not. But I think, basta may iba yung paandar mo. Actually, you've done BL, right?
Yes. Madami na
Puro.
BL. Puro. Yeah, madami na BL.
Talaga,
madami.
ano-ano?
Sa Beach Bros, BL
Aha.
ako. Sa Fractured, Love at First Spike, and
Well, technically, hindi naman BL ang love.
oh
at
yeah,
first
yeah.
sight. But, like,
Parang
gay
queer
character.
character.
Okay.
Yeah. Puro ganun madalas.
Meron ka namang hindi ka queer?
Yes, pero sa teleseries, parang small role. Like sa Pamilya Sagrado, Dirty Linen, and Run to Me.
You were on Dirty Linen also.
Yes, pero hindi queer yung character ko doon.
Mm.
And sa Pamilya Sagrado, supposedly, pero hindi natuloy. Yeah.
Hindi natuloy?
Hindi natuloy na queer siya. Parang,
Okay. Meron ba kayo sa showbiz na mga nakaaway niyo na? Natanong ko na ba to? Hindi pa. Meron
hindi
na ba?
pa. Hindi pa.
Ulitin ko lang meron na ba kayo nakaaway sa showbiz?
Wala naman po directly nakaaway, pero I feel like I just, like, na-witness ko yung ano to? I mean, na-witness ko lang yung
Pagka Bitchesa, Ate Chona.
Yeah.
Nino, sino yan?
Oh. I don't wanna name drop naman. Pero feeling
Huwag ka
ko
munang mag-react dyan kasi pupunta tayo sa'yo.
Feeling ko po kasi, no, I'm the type of person, kunyari, there's a gathering, I'm an introvert din po, pero if I have to like socialize, I can. Pero during sa mga parties, bihira lang ako mag-stay. So parang, maabutan ko pa yung ganun niya, parang, what?
Babae to?
Yeah,
Matanda?
no.
Kasi
So
idaran
I
mo.
relate to you when you said na parang there's some young artists na very bold agad compared to the veteran actors and actresses. So, ayun, I don't want to name drop, madam. Pero,
No need.
pero yun, I just don't appreciate naging mabait na. I just don't appreciate na may attitude agad or lumalaki yung ulo agad ng mga artists. Kasi, I feel like,
Yeah.
right?
I know so many people.
Right? I feel like we should be transparent kasi marami po talagang ganon.
You should be transparent.
Di ba?
ganun.
Ganun yung minimin namin
Ayun,
kanina eh.
Pag-act na parang walang ganon, marami pong ganon.
Maraming ganun.
That's why you choose your people.
Oo.
Lalo na yung mga biglang sikat.
Oo.
Yung mga biglang yung parang pinaghirapan. Hindi mo kasi pinaghirapan, palibhasa di ba?
Yeah.
Totoo.
Yeah, I just want to be honest, but that's it. Yeah.
Yeah.
So wala?
Meron!
Nag-away talaga kayo? Harap-harapan?
No. I didn't do anything about it kasi ayokong pumatol.
Pero yun, nag-bitch siya sa'yo? Ganun, napaka-bitch siya sa'yo. Anong sinabi sa'yo?
Kilala ko? To?
Ano ba? Ganito po kasi yung nangyari. Parang, ginanon niya ako while I was just saying hi.
Babati lang siya.
Babati lang po ko.
Sample.
and when I
Babatiin
say-
kita.
So
Hi.
when I say hi, puro lang, hi, ganyan. Bebeso pa ako. Biglang, tapos I was just shocked na, what do I do? What did she just do? And I just didn't appreciate it. And every encounter I have with
That
them,
person. Them!
no.
Wow!
I just don't want to say her or him.
Sa bagay.
So I say them.
Masyadong Gen Z sa part na yan.
Jen.
Pero I just don't appreciate na every encounter I have with them, hindi siya pleasant. Hindi siya parang like, we're in the same kapamilya together. Parang hindi po.
So, kapamilya to.
Oh!
Babae.
Paano yun na? Mali.
No, I just want to be honest.
Yeah, that's
I
fine.
really
No need.
hate lying talaga. A lot of my co-actors know that. I don't like lying.
No. And honestly, sa mga viewers po natin, marami po talaga sa showbiz, kala mo mababait, pero bait-baitan lang. Bait-baitan lang talaga. Yung parang, ano nito? Behind the scenes nito.
Everybody is smiling here.
Oh,
Is there an experience?
eme ka.
Shared experience.
Pero 'di ba? Pero meron din naman yung like, for instance, sila Ate Gladys Reyes, 'di ba? Parang nananabunot sa 'di ba? Masasamang mga villain. Pero in real life, sobrang babait, ganyan.
Yeah. So yeah, that's just my unpleasant experience. Kasi ang dami pa eh.
Oh.
But every encounter, I don't appreciate it. So yun, sa mga viewers natin dyan. Sana.
Oo. Pero wala naman ikaw na talagang nag-away talaga kayo.
Wala, kasi I'm always leaving early sa mga ganun. So hindi ko naabutin yung mga ganun.
How about you?
Nag-start na ako
Pati PBB wala.
B?
Parang wala ka nakaaway.
I don't.
Talagang
Pinapostpone.
binabalik ka talaga sa'yo, ha?
Pinapostpone.
Hindi ako makaka-peak. Wait lang. Kasi kailangan ko mag-cut ngayon eh. So pagbalik ng next body, buong body, the tea will be spilled. Hello mga katsaa, maraming salamat sa panonood. Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, siguraduhin mag-like, i-share at mag-comment sa baba. At kung gusto niyo pang mapanood or mapakinggan ng mga iba naming episodes, please subscribe. So ayun na nga. Tuloy mo na yung kwento mo.
Hindi.
May nakaaway ka na ba or naka-something?
Oo naman, pero parang meron din ako mga unpleasant experiences din na parang yung, kunyari sa ball, parang ABS-CBN ball, parang kunyari, pero parang gets naman, siguro dahil veteran, hindi naman yata siya veteran yung parang nagpa-picture lang ako ganun, tapos sobrang sungit niya, tapos parang may ganun lang ako na experiences din, na papapicture lang naman ako, pero sobrang sungit.
Bakit ko gets? Anong meron? Ba't siya nasungit?
I don't know. Basta yun. That's just one.
What's your sign? When were you born?
Scorpio.
How about you po, madam?
Mamaya, guess. How about you?
Really ba? Saggy. Pero I was born in
Cusp.
between. Yeah, cusp. Saggy, Scorpio.
Okay.
Pero I think I'm more of a Saggy. I don't know kasi what time I was born eh. So
ano ka, parang dinedeny mo yung Scorpio side mo?
I don't know nga. I wanna know.
Could be Saggy. Just the fact that at a very young age, you went to the Philippines to pursue your dreams, that's a very Saggy thing.
Mas Saggy, guys.
Scorpio.
What is yours, madam?
Guess.
Ooh.
You will never guess.
Really?
Aquarius? Oh, no. Aries.
You will never. Okay, Aquarius, Aries.
Aries?
I feel like she's a fire sign.
Really? I feel like maybe either Virgo or Libra?
Gemini.
Walang
Could be
nakuha ni isa. See, I told you.
Leo?
I don't come off as Cancer, but I am.
What?
Oh.
I'm a Cancer sun, Leo rising,
Leo.
and
I don't know
Virgo
those.
moon. Kaya that's why I have that. Pero I'm sun, a sun. I'm water, fire, and earth. Na lang, shinare ko lang.
Okay.
Shout out sa
I did
mga
not
co-cancer.
expect that.
Hindi mo maisip na cancer ako, di ba?
No.
Like, walang ka-cancer sa mukha ko.
Maybe ganun talaga pag cancer. Like,
Ano?
hindi mo talaga malaman.
Hindi, usually cancers are very, very, pag nakita mo, ako, like, as a cancerian, I can detect kapag cancerian sila.
Oh.
That's why you were crying pala sa Labs reaction video. Yeah.
Yes. We will get there.
Okay.
Speaking of laugh, so nandun tayo sa love at first bite. And one of the main themes of that is the hindi nyo nasagot yung situationship eh.
Oo nga. Sige, yes,
what
sorry,
does that
sorry.
mean?
Situationship.
Situationship.
What does it mean
Ang
for you?
pagkakaintindi ko sa situationship, diba, like, isn't that like parang casual?
They're dating, but there's no,
No
label and
label,
commitment.
no
That's what
commitment.
Have you
believe.
experienced
No,
it?
kasi I'm really the
Situationships.
date to marry kind of
Ako din.
Ako din.
Parang,
person.
yeah.
I don't
Pag
really
mag-date
play
isa
around.
lang. Ganun.
Ba't may date ba sabay-sabay?
Hindi, meron ganun.
May ganun po, kaya may
Nagde-date madami.
situationship kasi may relationship pala on the side. po.
O kaya situationship, madami siyang situationship.
Yes.
What do you
Kasi
mean?
they are not sticking to a commitment or a label. So, pwedeng multiple or pwedeng pagsabay.
Okay, so when I was single, I used to date guys, let's say, right? But like, okay, I date you, pero I just called it, I'm dating. Pero wala din naman akong feeling sa kanila. Dinate ko lang, trinay lang natin.
I've
Okay.
never had a situationship eh.
Parang I think situationship is parang mas malalim kaysa sa date, dinidate mo lang. Parang, pero
So may investment ng emotions pero walang investment ng commitment?
parang ganun.
Parang
Di
may
ba?
access sila sa'yo na
Na parang magjowa kayo, pero
hindi lang just like dating, parang jowa na. But there's no, that's why there's a situation going on.
Yeah, pero why would you want that?
I don't want
I don't
that.
want it.
We don't want that, so yeah.
But a lot of Gen Z kids, they do that.
Yeah. Yeah.
Another big theme sa mga Gen Zs would be like mental health. How's your mental health? You know, I met Beanie nung birthday ni Derek Lauren, tsaka Beanie BGYO. And then the first thing that I asked them is like, how's your mental health? I always ask that of kids because I feel like you guys are the most parang targeted when it comes to this issue. Like, there's a lot of things going on in your head. How's your mental health?
Okay. Good. I guess they're
Better?
just, yes. But I guess there are just times na, it's hard, it's rough. But I feel like sometimes it comes out when you're like too alone in your thoughts. Parang ganun. And I feel like it comes because sa parang 20s, parang ganun talaga yung na-experience nila. Na parang, feeling ko there's always that question na parang, tama ba yung ginagawa ko? Am I in the right path? Kasi parang you're in your 20s. Parang, iba kakagraduate. Yung iba still studying. Iba trying to figure out what they want to do. I feel like it's that. And balancing it with life and parang relationships, ganun. And I feel like masyadong ma-pressure tayo sa sarili natin.
Sobra. Actually, yung problema talaga, honestly, I had a life coach / healer who was with me in one. Ang punot dulo niya social media. Because we've all experienced that. Like, of course, I'm the same age more or less as Ivan. So we've been in your age, but we didn't have social media then. So I didn't have like a chance to compare parang, okay, may bag, ang isang influencer, wala akong pakialam kasi hindi ko naman siya nakikita. Nag-travel abroad, whatever, this person, hindi ko nakikita. Ang ganda niya, maganda yung ilong niya, ako hindi maganda yung ilong ko. Hindi ko siya very small yung mundo namin. But with social media, kasi especially with your generation, like, you see everything and you can't help but compare yourselves. And that's what they said. It's really the pudot dulo.
Yeah, no, I totally agree talaga. Parang, I had that realization talaga na parang social media, grabing impact sa life ng mga Gen Zs now. Parang, I guess, parang kunyari sa situationship, I'm sure not a lot of people know kung ano yung situationship. Pero dahil sikat siya on social media, situationship like that, parang nalalaman nila yung mga ganong terms. And parang uso yung pag may nalaman kang term, gusto mo
Gawin.
parang gawin,
Oo.
ganon.
And add it to your vocabulary. Oh my
And you wanna be, na-FOMO ka, in other words.
Yeah.
Parang ako rin mag-situationship din ako. Di ba ganyan?
Sobrang helpful kapag nagsa-social media detox talaga. I don't know. It has its pros and cons, social media.
No. Social media. But detox is definitely a much needed
Yes.
parang cleansing. How about you? How's your mental health?
I feel like anxiety, depression, I've felt it, of course. Feeling ko it should be normalized to talk about kasi everybody can feel that way. Lalo na po nung pandemic.
Yeah,
Grabe po
yeah,
yung
yeah.
pandemic. That was like a really low point for me kasi I was so young and then online and then no work. Super. From pandemic na akala ko 2 weeks lang, naging 2 years. So, it was a lot for me. Pero ngayon, feeling ko it's just seasonal. It does come to me po, depression and anxiety for
It does,
sure.
it does.
It does, but it goes then.
Like, it's real depression?
Yeah.
Like diagnosed?
Yeah. Oh, I feel like ngayon ko palang ita-touch on it.
Hmm.
Feeling ko it started after PBB po kasi, I mean, you were locked up in a house without time, without anything. You can't even read books or write anything. So, feeling ko dun po nag-start. And I was a minor, so I feel like it was normal for me to feel that way. And we had psychological tests then and everything before and after, to see our well-being. So I feel like that's where it started for me. Pero now I'm doing so much better. I know how to regulate it and I feel like yeah, I'm so much better. It just comes and goes. And then I'll be okay.
Next naman part na, lumalalim na tayo sa kwentuhan natin.
Yes.
Next naman part ng isa pang topic natin na malapit, of course, sa Love at First Spike would be the LGBTQ
Ooh.
community or topics. What can you say about that?
Bumukas ako talaga after Love at First Spike. I was open. Kasi we have Ate Lance. Ate Lance.
Oh,
Rebecca.
yes.
She is a trans woman and she's more than a woman to me. And she's taught me so much. Like we'd had conversations at 10 talking about all the umbrella, about the queer community and the terms and different kinds of preferences, sexual preferences, and even some mental, what you want in a relationship or whatnot, sexually or anything. So yun, I've learned a lot. Bumukas ako. Kaya I'm open ngayon to be hopefully a leading lady for a GL. Kasi there's a lot of people who just want to see themselves sa screen.
To be represented, in other words.
And I want to do that as an actress. Kasi feeling ko kasi when you're an actress, you should be able to do anything, portray anything. So yun.
Yeah.
How
I
about
guess
you?
to add to that, I actually learned a lot then from Love at First Spike, yung when we were shooting. Kasi, yun nga, we have Lance and I can just ask her anything. She would answer.
So she's pag napanood niyo po yung Love at First Spike, and I really recommend, I will talk about it more later, but except for Lance, who played, what's her role? Diamond.
Trans
Except for Lance who played Diamond. The other ones, we're not sure if they're part of the community.
Yeah, we don't ask, so we don't have
We don't
no
know.
idea.
Okay.
we don't ask.
You just basically parang just immerse yourselves in your character
Yeah.
and then play whatever that is. Kasi si Kidlat, yung character is gay.
Gay, yeah.
Actually, parang lahat sa basketball, sa volleyball.
Yes!
Parang lahat sila yung nakakala.
Lahat.
Lahat, no?
Lahat
Except
sila.
lang kay Uno.
Yes. Uno's the only straight.
Pumasok.
So straight, yeah.
Oo, yan. Pag-uusapan po natin yan. Kasi nga, once again, if you haven't watched Love at First Spike, it's available on iWant. And it's done. There's like 8 episodes. You have to fucking watch it.
Yes.
I will tell you why sa pagbabalik po ng Ting Talk Tea.
Yeah.
Kayo ba ay nag-e-enjoy sa aming mga chikahan? Kung kayo po ay natutuwa sa episode namin, please help us in spreading the word. Please like this video, share this video, mag-comment po kayo sa baba at paniguraduhin mag-subscribe sa Think Talk Tea. Thank you! Okay, now, we're gonna talk about finally Love at First Spike. You are playing Farah, who's the lead female character, and you're playing Jared, who is like, how do I describe you? The second lead-ish?
Yeah.
Pwede bang ispluk? Paano ba to? Spoiler alert. Paano?
Yeah.
Spoiler alert kasi pag-uusapan namin
Yes.
So you're playing a gay character na pinsan ni Farah, pero isa lang yung type niyong guy. Ay, grabe! How was it playing your parts?
Ooh. It's my first time having a complex character, like as complex as Jared. Kasi daming layers kasi ni Jared eh. So it was it was such a learning experience for me. Kasi first time ko din po talaga mabigyan ng ganong klaseng role. Tapos lead role din, first ko din po. So, grabe yung pressure. Actually, sobrang kinakabahan ako nun sa taping natin. Kasi we had workshops also. Tapos sa workshops, parang hindi ako masyadong happy na sa pag-deliver ko. Parang hindi ako satisfied. Like, it's just me sa sarili. Pero so, sobrang kabado ako going into it sa taping. And I think it's just me. I feel like that's just like parang pre-anxiety taping and I had that sobra. Lalo sa Love at First Spike. Pero parang with the help of Direk Ivan kasi talaga, madam, na talagang natulungan niya talaga kami na mag-dive sa character namin. And
how about you, Farah?
Oh, I loved portraying Farah. It wasn't super, super challenging and hard. Pero siguro the physical aspect kasi we'll be playing all day and
ako
everything.
din, volleyball.
Pero sa'yo kasi okay na dahil volleyball player ka.
Yes.
Ako hindi.
Paano kayo like sila Emilio, paano kayo natutong mag-volleyball?
Nag-training
Training
kami.
kami.
For how long?
2 months.
2 months, 3 months.
Oh!
Nag-training kami.
Yes. And I remember
It was so...
vigorous.
Yeah.
Talaga?
Yeah.
Kasi nga, ako coming into it, wala talaga akong experience with volleyball. So, we had, una namin training 4 nights dire-diretso. So, pasaan talaga yung dito namin. Lahat kami. Kasi hindi rin talaga lahat may experience. Like, Kidlat, wala din experience sa volleyball. Ganon. Sky, he doesn't have any experience.
Oh.
So, coming in, talagang
Mm-mm.
ganun.
Clean slate.
Ang may
Todo.
experience lang, ang marunong lang talaga. Like, talagang magaling. Ikaw, tsaka si Dylan.
Dylan. Bong knows how.
Bong is really good.
Who's Bong?
His
Hans.
hands, the one that doesn't talk.
Yes.
Ah, yeah! Okay.
He knows how to
good.
play. Really good
Really
player.
Okay. So, tatlo lang? Out of
Ate Lance
everyone?
also knows.
Oh, Lance.
Lance.
Yeah,
Okay. Pero hindi. Kasi totoong dapat talaga kahit pa paano.
yeah.
Yung talon mo,
Yeah.
diba? And everything.
Super bugbog yung katawan po namin talaga. After training, we just know we're sore, sobra the next day. Ayun po. Pero, for Farah naman, feeling ko na-challenge lang din ako sa mga chemistry scenes namin ni Uno. Pero, I appreciate na Emilio also offered and we did independent workshops pa separate sa
Separately.
Star Magic. So, we can like work on it. We really wanted to make it good and the next good thing talaga from a show. So, ayun po yung challenging for me. Pero all in all, I love portraying Farah and playing volleyball. Like, I just hope I would tell Direk na sana marami pang volleyball scenes kasi I love playing po talaga. The moment I play, parang ayoko nang tumigil. Pero,
Paano yung girls ba? Marami pa kayong volleyball scenes? Wala masyado eh.
wala masyado.
Yung boys yung talagang
Sa boys
may
madami.
The boys
And
team.
kinakabahan ako lagi
And Diamond.
kapag volleyball
scene.
scenes. Kasi sobrang madugo talaga siya i-shoot. And
Yes.
sobrang hirap. And kailangan talaga sobrang prepared yung body mo, gano'n. Syempre ako, parang kahit nag-train kami for 2-3 months, hindi naman ako like super duper galing pa rin talaga. Pero yun yung nire-require ng character. So there's that pressure din sa akin na kailangan I have to set a setter pa si Jared. So and
Setter.
volleyball kailangan magaling yung setter.
Ano ba yung mga ano niya? Setter, libero,
Spiker,
opener,
middle,
yeah.
spiker, and there's also opposite.
Ano ba yung tawag sa ganun, di ba? Yeah, middle.
Right hitter.
Mm-mm.
Maraming terms po
Maraming
for
terms.
each.
Mm-mm.
Pero, yeah, sa Love at First Spec din ko rin natutunan yung 3 positions na I'm usually po an open hitter. So that's on the left side. Then I've learned how to play setter because of Dylan. And then I've played middle hitter sa All-Star Games.
Siguro, mga English ka next time para maintindihan ko. Wala ako na-gets, pero yes, oo.
Yeah.
At saka alam mo, tuwan-tuwa ako doon kasi sabi ko nga kay Direk Ivan. Sinabi ko kay Direk Ted, ano to, pa-high-Q ang atake mo? Kasi talagang inaral daw niya yung high-Q, sabi ni Direk Ivan. Hindi man yung volleyball player. Wala naman siya ding ano sa volleyball, pero he had to learn. Okay. Can I just say that I really, sorry, I know, Farah, you're here, but I really am a Jared's.
Okay, me too.
I think I love you. I don't know if I love you as Sean or Jared. I'm not sure. But I thought you did a great job.
Thank you.
Your fucking eyes are killing me.
Yeah. His eyes is for me the best asset.
Kay-
I mean, Sean gets the mannerisms of Jared so well. If you would see me and Sean scenes na cousin scenes, he really has the mannerisms and what
Natural lang.
nuances na.
Natural lang.
No.
Grabe.
I haven't seen your other
Ah.
show. So I don't know if you act like that as well. Kasi sometimes may mga artista na parang yung character niya dito same lang sa
Parang
character.
ganun lang.
Same lang yung acting. Did you do it differently?
Yes, this is my first time doing it like that. I had a parang similar sila, pero entirely different pa din eh. Pero sa project ko before this, which was Fractured, queer din yung character ko doon and open gay din siya. So, ayun lang yung first ever openly out na queer character ko was before yun nga yung sa Fractured, then now yung sa Love at First Sight. Pero ibang-iba pa rin talaga,
Si
madam.
Jared.
So when you
Si
say
Jared.
openly queer, like parang ang atake niya very
Open
like
siya, so hindi,
kidlat, ganon?
hindi naman parang kidlat talaga. Pero,
Tapang kasi si Jared, eh.
Oh,
Very
yun yung,
prinsesa talaga
Oh,
siya.
yeah. But how did you deal like with doing that whole like the unrequited love eyes?
Oh my God, the yearning!
The yearning! Yeah, the yearning! So how did you do that? Did you have the what's going on in your head when kaya sobra kasi talaga ako marupok talaga puso ko sa unrequited love. Like as in. Huy.
The excellence was everything.
So how did you get into that? Like what? No, how?
I don't know. Kasi ako, I had acting lessons with Meisner, like that. Ako masasabi ko, hindi siya like nagsistem from parang like personal experience. I think I was just fully immersed with Jared.
Right.
I was just really immersed sa kanya na, and kung paano ko dinirect ni Direk Ivan, parang yung mga talk points niya really got to me. And I don't know, patagal yung taping, mas nai-immerse lang ako kay Jared talaga. That's why it's so hard for me to let go of him also. Kasi sobrang na-immerse talaga ako sa kanya. And
parang may
like,
pagka-method.
yes, medyo.
So,
may
did you also, parang pag nakita mo si Emilio na nakakanta?
Hindi naman.
Okay.
Hindi naman. Pero parang pag talagang action, ewan ko, feeling ko ako si Jared. And when I look at Emilio, look at Farah, my cousin, parang ramdam ko lang talaga siya. I don't know why. I really don't know how then. Pero I really don't know how, madam.
What was the hardest scene for you guys?
Oh, hard for me yung emotional scene si Jared sa locker room and yung kay Farah na confrontation.
Dun sa
But it was
dun sa parang prom na hindi prom. Okay.
Yung after prom. But it was hard for me kasi we shot that at like 3 a.m. and super last sequence na yun. Super, and pagod na talaga kasi puro emotional scenes yun ako sa day na yun. Yeah. But I'm so happy na you appreciate the Jared's yearning eyes.
No. The episode 1, diba? Yung IG story ko na parang, ano to? Saan to galing? No, there's the kind of acting where you're like, you're acting, but there's the kind of acting where you're breathing.
Breathing.
Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's not just about the eyes. It's about the flicker of your jaw.
Because I create this POV in my head whenever it's just like action, and I create this POV talaga. And parang I think it stems from, siguro yun nga, parang siguro experiences before but not bringing up your personal, not bringing it up exactly, but you know how it feels. You know how it feels when you look at the person you like. So you bring
Who
that
doesn't
in.
like you back?
Yeah. So there's that feeling. You just bring it to the scene, even though you don't really think of that person na, you know, who you really like in sa personal.
Right.
But you know how it feels. So you bring that to the scene. And I think dun nagsastem yung parang pagiging natural niya lang. Ganun.
Yeah.
Hopefully it came off as natural lang.
Yeah, it did. It did naman. How about for you? What was your hardest scene, you would say?
Yung confrontation namin ni Jared sa episode 8.
8.
Yeah.
And stitching to my mom's crying scene. That was shot the first taping day.
Which one? Yung
That one.
confrontation?
Yes.
Mm-mm.
The pagbaba ng stairs. That was the first.
And the pagbaba ng stairs. The one in the
Ice
prom?
cream?
No, the prom? No.
it was. Oh, that was Athlete's Night. No,
Athlete's
that
Night.
wasn't
Yeah.
first taping day. Pero nung nagalit na ako sa kanya, nag-explode
Oh,
ako sa mom.
yung
and
sa
sa
mansion?
mom. Yes.
That was the first taping day. I feel like that was the most challenging kasi first taping day.
No, you did so well there.
Thank
Yes,
you.
she did. That was so
I was
good.
surprised with how well you started. Your acting, ha?
Thank you.
Kasi syempre, I know her from the Beanie trainee pa, ganyan, diba? So wala naman ako, I haven't seen you act. But I was like, oh, she can act, ha? Alam mo yung ganon.
Thank
Plus, even when you were doing the confrontation, what was your line? You said na parang,
almost
kailan
died.
mapapatawad mo ba ako? Something like that.
Kailan ko pa ba?
Hanggang kailan ko
pagbabayaran yung putik na utang loob na yan.
Yes. And then you had like this one Judy and Santos tear.
Galing, di ba? Galing, di ba? Di ba?
Ilang
Crazy.
takes kayo doon?
For me, I think it was a
Right.
good 2 or 3 kasi we paused for shots. Ang daming shots.
Yes, yes.
And I love Direct for that kasi there's shots from the window, there's close up, there's mid shot, there's the POV and
Oh.
reaction shot. Dami po. Pero I remember finishing that scene thinking na that was a important scene po eh. So I have
Yeah.
to do my best. Tsaka rin po sa confrontation na first day. Kasi I
Mm-mm.
was conscious na this is my sabog scene, my moment as my character. So kailangan galingan. Tapos first day, taping day pa. So ayun po, I'm glad na iba po kapag ginawa mo tapos napanood mo. So,
Yes,
it's not
yes,
that
yes,
bad
yes,
pala.
yes,
I was
definitely.
just overthinking it.
No, you guys did a good job. The both of you.
Thank
I can
you.
just say. That's why, no, first episode, I remember nung kakapanood ko lang, yung Instagram story ko, napatawad ako kay Ivan. Utang ina ka. Hi! Ano? Bakit? Kasi sabi ko sa kanya, kasi medyo crush ko si River sa
Mm.
PBB. Tapos nung mag-resume na siya, sabi ko, sama mo ako sa taping. Tsaka nandyan si Sean Tristan eh. Tapos sabi niya, sige beef. Tapos nag-resume na kayo, hindi niya na ako sinama.
Bakit?
Ewan ko doon, nakalimutan niya na ako. Tapos sabi ko, alam mo, tapos na ba yung shoot mo? Sabi niya, tapos na eh. Ba't di mo ako in-invite? Tapos yun, sabi niya, hindi, sige, next time na lang. Next time, hindi na lang at first make yung gagawin mo next time, hoy! But anyway, he did he did such a good job. And he even told directed Boborol about that na parang sabi ko, you know, like love at first spike. Really, can I just say, I'm not just saying this because they are in front of me. I'm not saying this because Derek Ivan is a very good friend of mine. I even told this to directed Boborol na parang that yung love at first spike, pwede na siya makipagsabayan sa mga Taiwanese dramas, sa mga Thai dramas. Like, pwede na, I mean, I can confidently say that if, like, not K-drama yet, I guess, but siguro yung mga low, kasi syempre, lakas ng budget ng K-drama, di ba? Pero pwede na tayo makipagsabayan sa ibang bansa. And I'm so proud that, you know, we have created something like that. And I hope more people get to see it. Kasi di ba,
I hope
yung mga
so.
tao, bash ang pangit ng ganyan, pangit ng mga ganyan. Napanood nyo na ba yung Love at First Sight?
Yeah.
So kung hindi pa, let us know in the comments kung papanoorin nyo ba. Kasi panoorin nyo!
You have the same mannerisms as Direct.
As in,
Yeah. Yung that's so direct. Wala lang po. I'm sorry, I had to point it out. You have the same manner. Okay. Pero thank you po. We love you po.
yes. So please watch it, guys. Actually, when Ivan asked me if you guys can come to the show, I was like, okay, yes, of course they're gonna promote Love at First Spike, right? But I feel like people deserve to know you guys more beyond Love at First Spike because you have so many, parang such a bright future ahead. Hindi naman lahat ng nakakilala nating artista ganyan kahusay, but you guys did a really good
Thank
job.
you so much.
Thank
So I hope you guys get the best ano tawag nito, characters or roles for you moving forward. Now, this is what we call the manifestation table. Our Think Talk Tea manifestations. Anything that you say, as long as you believe it, it's gonna come true, will come true. So is there anything in your life that you want to make into a reality or become truth? Gusto nyo gawin? Gusto nyo, tinataga nyo sa bato na magkakatotoo to. Ano yun?
I want to be a character actor. Like, I idolize JC Santos, Kuya JC Santos, ganyan. Gusto ko magkaroon ng movie. Never pa ako
So
nagkaroon ng
let's
movie.
become clear with what you want. You want to have a film where you are the lead actor, correct? What kind of role? Yung psycho, yung mamamatay tao.
Or kahit
Okay.
hindi naman ako lead, happy na ako.
No,
Pero yes.
no, Sean.
No, erase.
Sean.
Ito na naman tayo. ulit.
Sean. Do not block your manifestation.
Yes. Baka hindi ka kunin yan ng movie niya.
Gusto lang mo na itong character lang. Sige, decide ka. Ayaw ko lang ng lead role eh.
Baka hindi ka niya nakunin kasi hindi ka papayag.
Oo nga. Ano yung biggest dream mo? Don't be scared to say it out loud because the universe is listening.
I want to be a very versatile actor.
There's so many versatile actors out
Like,
there.
Yeah, but I want to be like them. I want to be known as
Do you want to win an
actor.
Oscar?
Ooh, I want to win an
Okay,
Emmy.
you have to say that.
I wanna win an
You have
Emmy.
to say that.
I
You have
want to
say
win an
that.
Emmy, yeah.
Right, okay. So that's what you want to manifest. You want to win an award.
Hmm.
Okay. International.
Yes.
Could be Emmy, could be Blue Dragon, malay mo naman, di ba? Golden Horse, Hong Kong pala. Di mo alam. Kasi pwede ka nga sa mga Tay-Tay, mga Hong Kong, Taiwanese. Pwede ka doon. Okay.
Ano?
How about you?
Ako, I want an Emmy as well. I want an Oscar. I want any recognition to represent Philippines.
Miss Universe.
Miss Universe, I want to join Miss Universe, hopefully win. My goodness. I want to have a movie where I'm the lead role in every single genre there is. I want that. I want to do any genre.
Actually, you don't say you want that because you already are that. What's happening is you're just trying to move your frequency to that version of you that already exists. That's how
I
reality
want to
works.
have a project with Sean again.
Oh yeah.
Yes,
Let's go.
please.
Paano mag-partner kayo?
Pwede.
Ay, at least laplapan ganun.
Parang kapatid ko na kasi ito, madam.
May dila.
Pero pwede.
Oh my God. Parang namawis yung mic ko doon.
Uy, pero madam, close kami to the point sibling levels. Like, I'm so
Okay.
glad na
So
Sean,
hindi love team.
Pwede din naman.
game kami.
Okay.
Pwede po.
Oh.
Katabi ko lang matulog na parang kapatid lang. Tapos, pero game kami.
Yung eyes nyo. Ay!
Ganda.
Pero yun.
Okay, sige. Now, 5 years from now, how do you see yourself? By the time you're only 28, you're only 26, my God.
Oh, wow.
How do you see yourselves 5 years from now?
I'll be 27.
Oh, 27.
27. Owning an organization, helping thousands of governments in the country.
What?
And working with the best brands in hopes of making my own. And I don't know, making my family not work and providing for all my expenses for my sibling.
Mhm. You can make it happen once you become Miss Universe, you know? Everything is connected to that. Parang sanga-sanga yan, di ba?
I will travel to around the world too and help people
Oh my
around the
gosh.
world.
Mm. Are you Filipino-Canadian or just...
I'm
Parang-
full Pinay. But I'm
No,
dual
I mean like dual citizen. Okay,
Yes,
okay.
I'm dual.
So you can also represent Canada,
Yes, I
technically.
can too.
Okay. So pag hindi ka pinapanalo dito, alam mo na. Char!
Sana naman po.
Hindi. Tawagan natin ang Miss Universe organization. How about you, Sean? How do you see yourself 5 years from now?
That's so cool na you know. Like, or you have something in mind. Kasi ako parang, I feel like that's one of my crises right now. I do not
Okay.
know. And I still have no idea what else aside from I want to be a character actor.
Pilot.
Yeah, that's still ano. In the
Not 5
option.
years from now. Okay.
Pero parang, yun yung di ko pa rin, every time I ask myself that, I get scared. Like, where do I see myself in 5 years or in 10 years? Where am I? What am I gonna be? So I don't know.
But that's okay.
Yeah.
But that's okay. If at least every day, pagising mo, at least alam mo lang kung anong gusto mo for that day, that's already enough.
Yeah, malay mo, di ko na alam bukas.
Oo nga.
It could
Yeah.
change. It
Hmm.
could change.
Saka lagi ko sinasabi, yan ang talagang motto ko in life, mamamatay naman tayong lahat. Why do we take this life seriously? Right? Why do we take... Totoo naman! Totoo naman siya!
Hindi ka kakatok!
Totoo siya. I'm not saying now. In the future, it's gonna happen.
Yes.
So why are we taking this so seriously?
Mhm. I agree.
Right?
Yep.
Just do whatever makes you happy
Mhm.
without stepping on other people. That's it. That's the rule.
Mhm.
So anyway, maraming salamat, Sean.
We're done.
Ay, we're done! Isang kalahati oras na tayo nag-uusap.
We're done.
Okay.
Di ba? Pero yes. May gusto ba kayong sabihin? Parang hindi tayo matapos.
Nasepangs. Malala yung sepangs namin dalawa.
But how can they reach you, get in touch with you? Social media.
Yeah, social media.
Social media. We're on social media everywhere. Sana mapanood po nyo po ang Love at First Spike. Available na 8 episodes for you.
On I Want.
Nandyan na siya for you talaga. Binge watch it, please. And ayun, I'm currently shooting with Sins of the Father. So that's showing din ngayon. And sana masubaybay niyo po yung journey ko in the future.
Yes.
As the Miss Universe manifest.
Yes.
Huwag mo kaming kakalimutan pag nag-Miss
Miss Universe ka na, ha?
Promise
Manonood
Promise yan.
kami,
Hoy,
manonood
marami
kami.
May marami nakakalimot sa akin, ha?
Manonood kami ng live.
Uy,
I'm so excited.
Tapos ibang, ikaw yung Miss Universe, Miss Philippines, like South Africa.
Ooh. Atasha Rain Parani.
I'm
Ayaw
building
nga
pa.
pala, Atasha ka nga pala.
Yeah, my
Oo
full
nga
name is
pala.
Atasha Rain Parani.
Oo,
Yeah,
tama.
long name.
Okay, how about you? Where can they get in? Anong social media mo? At Rain Parani?
At I am Rain P, both on Twitter and Instagram. At Rain_Parani on TikTok.
Okay.
I am at Sean Tristan _ on all my social medias.
Surname mo ba, Tristan? Hindi,
No,
diba? Okay.
my surname is Papa.
Sean Tristan Papa.
Yes, pero Sean Tristan lang yung gamit.
Ang lakas makabili Eilish, di ba? O Donald.
Papa.
Papa.
And not a lot of people know that.
Parani, Papa.
Love
Anyway.
team.
Yan na nga. Uy, yung manifestation
May
table.
namanifest
Yung
eh,
manifestation
may
table natin.
Guys, pwede naman. Jaring!
At dahil dyan, good luck sa mga karera ninyo.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for joining us dito sa Think Talk. Kung nag-enjoy po kayo, guys, let us know in the comment section. And sabihin nyo kung saan kayong bahagi ng Pilipinas nanonood. And we'll see you guys again next time. Bye!